I spy with my little eye something. Did you ever play this game when you were little? I know I did, especially on road trips. Well, I'm going to share with you how you can use this game when targeting the LRFFC goal, or Listener Responding Function Feature Class Goal, Level 2, Number 9. LRFFC goal number 9 is selecting an item when given 3 different verbal statements for 25 items. So this is very similar to I Spy. Although in traditional I Spy, you usually only give them 1 clue, but this time we're going to be giving them 3 clues. So we are teaching our children how to be good detectives. We're giving them clues, and they have to retain all those clues that we're giving them in order to find that object. So this is really fun for them, and it can be fun for the whole family. Now, when giving them clues, it's important to remember some ideas. You want to give them a category. What category is this item from? Is it a toy? Is it a food? Is it a clothing item? A household item? And then a function. What do you do with it? What are the actions you do with it? And then also color. You can give them the color of it. If there's multiple of them, giving them a clue of what color it is can help them. Also shape. This is really fun because then they get to remember and generalize shapes that they've already learned. And sound. Sound is also another fun way you can give them clues. What does it make? What sound does it make? Is it an animal? Is it a toy? Is it something we see outside? These are all really great clues to helping our child really listen and find that item. Books are a good way to also target this goal. This book is The Colors of the Rainbow, so each page is dedicated to a certain color. So you can't exactly use that as your clue, but you can still use categories, functions, shape, and sound. So let's see if you can find this item. I spy with my little eye an animal. Something that's big and something that swims in the ocean. Did you guys pick the whale? Good job! Books are really fun to use, and you can do the story afterwards or even label. One fun way to play I Spy is using just the items you have in your house. You can have a treasure hunt for items that you're going to describe and they have to find. So let me show you an example of what you can do in the kitchen. I spy with my little eye something that's big, something that's cold inside, and something we put our food in. Did you guys pick the refrigerator? Good job! Another item in the kitchen you can do. Let's see if you can find it. I spy with my little eye something that has water. Something you turn on, and something that's shaped like a square. Did you guys pick the sink? Good job! I spy with my little eye something that's soft, something that's shaped like a rectangle, and something I sleep in. Did you guys pick the bed? Good job! I spy with my little eye something that's bright, something that's round, and something you turn on and off. Did you guys pick the light? Good job! Here's another item. Can you find it? I spy with my little eye something that has 3 wheels, something that's red, and something you ride on. Did you guys pick the bike?
job!
Another fun way to target I Spy is the outdoors. Outdoors is great for using I Spy, especially if you're taking just a little stroll down the street or in your neighborhood. Let's see if you can find what I'm describing. I spy with my little eye something that's a plant, something that grows tall, and something that's green. Did you guys pick the trees? Good job! I spy with my little eye something that's an animal, something that has a tail, something that says meow, meow. Did you guys pick the cat? Good job! There are so many different ways you can play I Spy. By using the things you have in your house, a book, or even taking a walk outside. The possibilities are endless.